Hello guys, welcome back. In this video you will learn how to set a Python project in VS Code and how to write and run the code in VS. Okay, so let's start. At first you have to open your browser, any browser you can open, and so simply type here download VS Code. Okay, and here you can see that VS Code official link is there, so click on it. Okay, and now you can see here download link is visible, right? So simply click on Windows 8, 10, 11, right? And then downloading will be started, right? So once start, then downloading will be started, and after completion of downloading, simply you need to and after completion of downloading, simply you have to double click on exe file. So let's click here. Now you have to click accept the agreement and go to next. Yeah, and this one is more important, add to path required cell restart, right? If you want to create desktop icon on desktop, then you simply have to mark as right. Otherwise go ahead. VS Code is installing. It's installed, so now click to finished. Okay, yeah, so your VS Code is, you can see that launched here, right? So create a project name. Okay, any drive. First of all, create one a directory, project directory, right? So I'm here, I'm creating one directory, one folder name, you can say that Python app, right? Py app or Python app. Okay, so let's start your VS Code. So simply first you have to click open file, or shortcut is there, or if you don't want to go to this shortcut, then go to and click first open your folder, project folder. Need to click on open folder. Okay, and select where you have created your project folder. Okay, I have created here, you can see. Simply you have to select this one and select folder, right? Yeah, guys, you have to just mark as trust, and yes, trust the answer. Okay, now you can see that your folder is open here, but there is no file is there right on that folder. So click on file here, give some name first or something, or test.py, right? Let's print something. This is first vs test code, right? And save it. Okay, now you can see that recommendation is there, right? We need to install one extension for debugging. Okay, so just click install from here, or simply we can go inside this extension icon and click here and simply search Python. Okay, and then yeah, now we can see that a lot of extension is there, so click first one, install it. Yeah, now you can see that the extension is installed. Simply guys, then you have to click on terminal and open new terminal. Okay, now terminal is open, and here type Python, then file name .py. I have created this one, right? Just and press enter. Now you can see that here's the output. So guys, now you are set with your VS Code. Your project is set with your VS Code, so now you can start your programming here. If you want to create another files, you can similarly just have to click here, add, and write here. Okay, second file something second.py, right? Suppose, yeah, here I'm going to print something like that. Print this is second page, right? Second file, and save it and go inside terminal. Here just similarly just have to type Python test, sorry, second.py and press enter. See here, right? So guys, today you learn how to set up your Python project in VS Code, and how to write the code, how to create a folder, and how to create files, okay, and how to add extension as well, how to install extension in VS Code, okay, and how to write the code, how to debug, and how to run the code. So hope guys you like this video, and thanks for watching. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.